Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, a two-digit number exceeds the number formed by reversing the digits by 18. If the sum of the digits is 12, then find the original number. Let the number be AB, that is 10A plus B. On reversing the digits, the number will become 10B plus A, that is BA. It has been given that the reversed number is 18 less than the original number. Therefore, we have the condition that 10B plus A plus 18 is equal to 10A plus B, which implies 9A minus 9B is equal to 18, or A minus B is equal to 2. The second condition that has been given is that the sum of the digits is 12, that is A plus B is equal to 12. Solving both the equations, we get A as 7 and B as 5. So, the required number is 75, and hence the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, a number consists of two digits of which the digit in the tens place is twice the digit in the units place. If the digits be interchanged, then the new number is less than the original number by 18. Find the original number. Let the number be AB, that is 10A plus B. It has been given that the digit in the tens place is twice the digit in the units place, that is A is equal to 2B. Also, the number we obtain on reversing is BA, that is 10B plus A, which has been given is less than 18 than the original number, that is 10B plus A plus 18 is equal to 10A plus B, or 9A minus 9B is equal to 18, which gives A minus B is equal to 2. Therefore, we have 2B minus B is equal to 2, or B is equal to 2. This implies that A is 4, and hence the required number is 42, and so the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the two-digit number which becomes 5 by 6 of itself when its digits are reversed. The difference in the digits of the numbers being 1. Since it is a two-digit number, let the number be AB, that is 10A plus B. It has been given that when the digits are reversed, it becomes 5 by 6 of its original. On reversing, we obtain the number as BA, that is 10B plus A. It has been given that 10B plus A is equal to 5 by 6 of its original, that is 10A plus B. This gives 60B plus 6A is equal to 50A plus 5B, or 44A is equal to 55B, which implies that 4A is equal to 5B. The second condition that has been given is that the difference in the digits is 1, that is A minus B is equal to 1. On solving both the equations, that is 4A is equal to 5B and A minus B is equal to 1, we get A as 5 and B as 4. So the required number is 54 and hence the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the solution set to the equation mod of x plus 2 is equal to root 4 will be. It has been given that mod of x plus 2 is equal to under root of 4. Squaring both the sides we get x plus 2 whole square is equal to 4, or x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 4, which implies that x square plus 4x is equal to 0. That is, x into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 0 or minus 4, and hence the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, a 2-digit number is less than the number formed by reversing its digits by 54. If the digit in the units place is 4 times that of the digit in the tens place, then find the original number. Since the number is a 2-digit number, let the number be AB, that is 10A plus B. It has been given that the number is 54 less than the number formed by reversing its digits. On reversing the digits, we get the number as BA, that is 10B plus A. It has been given that 10A plus B plus 54 is equal to 10B plus A, which implies that 9A minus 9B plus 54 is equal to 0, or minus A plus B is equal to 6. The second condition that has been given is that the digit in the units place is 4 times that of the digit in the tens place, which implies that B is equal to 4A. Substituting the values, we get A as 2 and B as 8. So the required number is 28, and hence the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you.